Hi growers, I'm Hannah from HTG Supply. Today we're going to be unboxing the new AgroMax Prime 2200X LED grow light. Let's get into it. So before we get to what's inside of the box, let's take a look at the outside. There's 760 watts, 2,204 micromoles, with an incredibly efficient 2.9 micromoles per watt. It is a full spectrum grow light for full term growth. It has a 3-year warranty. It is IP65 rated, DLC Hort and UL listed. Here are some of the checks, and it is affordable. So let's get into it. I'm just joking. So as you can see when you open the box, it is very well secured. There is styrofoam on all sides. This isn't going anywhere. After that, you move on to your accessories. First, you have a 120 volt standard cable. It is multi-volt capable up to 277 volts. Next, you have your 10-foot controller cord. That is just a bonus you can use for external controls. 2 pairs of hanging hardware, 1 fixed and 1 adjustable. And if you should need it, easy to follow instructions. But just wait and see how easy this light is. You might not even need them. One of the first things you're going to see when you take it out of the box is the UL listed driver. This light comes fully assembled and foldable. Secure it with the clasp, just like that. This light has 6 easily interchangeable light bars. It has conformal coating, which is IP65 rated. On each light bar, there are Samsung SMD LED chips, as well as 660 nanometer horticulture red chips, and specialized spectrum replacement bars coming soon. Here you can see the input and the output, where you can plug in external controllers, which is sold separately. And down here, you can see the dimmable light settings. So we have 0 to 25, 50, 75, and 100% output. So before we move on, I want to show you guys how easy it is to replace one of these bars. All you'll need to replace one of these bars is a Phillips head screwdriver. Now that both sides are unscrewed, all you have to do is lift this and replace it with the new bar and screw it back in. Now that we have the light put back together, let's get to it. All you need to do to get this bad boy powered on, the plug. That's it. So this end to this end. Push will fix will separate. This light has onboard dimming. It's as easy as a push of a button. So you can go from 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. But for the sake of our eyes today, we're gonna stick to 25. This light has a 120-degree light distribution for maximum canopy coverage. This gives you a 6-foot by 6-foot vegetative footprint or a 5-foot by 5-foot flower footprint. These are both read at 18 to 24 inches above canopy. With numbers like those, this light is sure to give you great results with any plants. Right now the light is at 25%, but to turn it off, just click through until it reaches 0. So a fun fact about this light is that it has a total of 3,216 chips on the entire fixture. So that about wraps it up for this unboxing about the AgroMax Prime 2200X LED grow light. But what did we learn today? That it's easy to assemble, it's ready out of the box, it's incredibly efficient, with 760 watts, 2,204 micromoles, which equals 2.9 micromoles per watt. This light is affordable, but the replaceable bars will also lengthen its lifetime. It is great for a 4x4 space or larger, and it will give you amazing results with all your plants. Stay tuned for the specialized spectrum bars coming soon. That's all for this unboxing. Don't forget, my name is Hannah, and I hope to see you in the next one.